SERV stock analysis and SERV stock prediction. Look, in this brief and short 1 minute video, what I'm breaking down my exact play for Tuesday. What I'm not going to do is immediately start buying, which I know a lot of people like to do, a lot of champs. The crazy part about this is just like any other typical stock, sticking to the process and formula, because bro, I haven't tested this for 42,000 videos for no goddamn reason. It's all on my YouTube channel. But here's the new top that we've got, approximately. Bottom, I was willing to extend it, but I'm just going to take this. And I'm actually so open-minded to buy more, because I've already gotten kind of the first one, second one, and if there's a confirmation, there's nothing, just nothing stopping me from doubling down, buying more. I mean, that's how you have to look at things, opportunities, right? All I'm doing is waiting. So, if you want to learn that jazz and all the good stuff, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have tried it. Goodbye and enjoy.